My back hurts. I haven't worked in 2 weeks because my back hurts. Finally able to get out here and stand. And yeah, I've got the crane on its freaking back. And I'm going to show you something. A little tip when you're trying to lay out your damn shit for your rivets. You know, your 70,000 freaking rivets. There you can see. Here's my lines, right? Nice and straight, pretty, looks pretty close on all the stuff, right? You think so? You would think that these manufacturers of the Sky Crane would make shit equal? No! Let me show you. All right. Here is a picture that I took a long time ago. And I'm going, okay, here are my 3 rows, and these look pretty straight. Yep. Same number of things, same number of things, same number of things. Okay. I was like, fine. But this one looked wider than that one. And sure enough, if you start there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Would expect 8 over here, right? No! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7! Oh my God! Why it's taking me so goddamn long to do this thing? Inner peace. Inner peace. Inner peace. Because I'm trying to get out and build something.